Here is a patient, Shivaji Boite. He is now having a condition of advanced recurrent and metastatic head and neck cancer along with the prostate cancer. What we are trying to do is to give him a newer therapy in order to control and possibly cure for a longer time the terminal and advanced cancer. Our plan is to give dendritic cell therapy, and for this we will be separating his mononuclear cells from his body. They will be sent to a laboratory and then converted into a dendritic cell, and also his own immune cells, T cells, which fight the cancer. They will also be grown substantially in numbers and then would be injected in six doses in all at an interval of around 14 days. Cancer is a disease in which newer and newer modalities are being developed, and with the understanding of immunotherapy, now this therapy is having a very potentially a good scope in the treatment of the patients who are otherwise considered as a hopeless for the treatment. So we hope that with this case we can initiate a new chapter in the treatment of advanced malignancies.
I am Dr. Yesha, consultant in transfusion medicine at SG Highway, Shalby Hospital, Ahmedabad. So this is our first leukapheresis procedure. A patient is of head and neck cancer, and we are collecting leukocytes. This is the leukocyte product. From this we will separate monocytes, and then monocytes will be helped further for processing of dendritic cell therapy. From dendritic cell we will make vaccine for treating of head and neck cancer.
He is my father, Shivaji Boite. I am his daughter, Archana Boite. The moment on April when I came to know that he is in terminal stages of cancer, and Dr. Bhargav Maharaja explained me about the next steps, I did not wanted him to suffer further in his painful journey of terminal cancer, and decided to go with this dendritic cell therapy, which will ultimately help him in his cancer cure. And I did some research in terms of this entire therapy and the overall explanation by the doctors given in terms of how it can help in the further advanced stages of cancer. So I thought of giving it a chance for my father's life and to try it out.